Greetings, Drawillusion here. Today I'm going to show you how I made this logo step by step. So let's get started. Now we are jumped into Affinity Designer. First of all, we need to set up our workspace for sketching. First, add a pixel layer. On second, switch to the pixel persona. And on third, select the brush tool. Alright, we're ready to work. Before we start sketching, I'm going to draw a chart as W letter. In your case, you can draw logo sketches, whatever you like and whatever type of surfaces. It could be on paper or digitally. Choose the convenient way for you. It's up to you. Okay, after you finish sketching, place the golden ratio sequence. One note, before we start building or vectorizing by using the golden ratio sequence proportions, I highly recommend the article Using the Golden Ratio in Logo Design by MELINDA LIVSEY. Link in the description below. Here we place the sequence. In the next step, I will adjust the grid to the paper grid. My paper grid has a 5mm space between dots. In your case, you can skip this step. Check boxes for grid to grid snapping are snap to grid and snap to guides. Adjust snapping for logo making. This step is necessary to make a logo by using the golden ratio proportions. You can pause at here to see checkboxes. I forgot one thing before we dive into logo shaping or logo making. Mark your golden ratio grid with alphabetic or numeric order, by size of every block. I took the first big block for the logo size and fifth block for the logo thickness and Boolean operations. For the length of the first two pieces of the W letter, I took the width of the third block. For the length of the W letter's last block, I took the width of the second block of the sequence. Here I'm duplicating shapes from the W letter for Boolean operations. Recolored those shapes with white color to see how it will look on the final version. I just turned off a background sketch layer and recolored the logo with black color. On this timeline, I'm trying to find a good position for the W symbol. Finding the right place is a time-consuming process. Please be patient if you have same problem. I forgot to mention before, don't color your logo in the first place. If your logo does not look good in monochrome, it will look terrible on the final colored version. Well, this is the final part of the video. I typed WakeUp as a wordmark. Here I'm proportionally scaling the height of the wordmark equal to the height of the third block of the golden ratio. For spacing between the symbol and the wordmark, I took fourth block of the sequence. I used the thickness of the icon for the bottom space of the wordmark. Here I'm making final touches, duplicating shapes from the icon and making them an arrow above the U letter. Last steps here are Boolean operation on all of those shapes and recoloring the whole logo. That's it for today. Hit the like button, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe.